Is your Acer Aspire 3 sounding a little off? Maybe it's distorted, crackling, or even completely silent. Before you panic and think about buying a whole new laptop, consider replacing the internal speakers. Today, we're checking out the Deal4GO internal speaker assembly, a replacement option designed for several Acer Aspire 3 models, including the A315-22, A315-34, and A115-31 series. This speaker assembly is specifically made for these Acer laptops, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue as long as you have one of the models listed. It supports models like A315-22G, A115-31, C23T, A315-22-99AZ, A315-22-958T, A315-34, P1VQ, and A315-34, C4FM. The part numbers you're looking for are 23 H8N8.001, HQ20 3306 19000, HQ20 3305 9400, and HQ20 3306 19002. Inside the package, you'll find a left and a right speaker, each rated at 4 ohms and 2 watts. The speakers connect via a 4-pin, 4-wire plug-in connector, and the wires are about 2.85 inches long. This should give you enough slack to easily connect them to the motherboard. One thing to note is that the screws aren't included, so make sure you keep the original screws from your old speakers. The installation process itself is pretty straightforward. No soldering is required, which is a huge plus for those who aren't comfortable with electronics work. You'll simply need to open up your laptop, disconnect the old speakers, and plug in the new ones. Replacing your laptop speakers with the Deal4GO assembly can potentially fix common audio problems like distorted sound or complete silence. If you're experiencing these issues, this replacement could save you from having to buy a new laptop.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.